Kia ora e te whānau. For those who are guessing dinosaurs, yes, that's what I love, and that is truly me. Grr. I have been working at Māoriland for almost 3 years now. From making my first short film, He Karu He Taringa, aka Eyes and Ears, to voicing an iconic side character from Shrek Katahi Te Koroke as Gingy, to animation, creating amazing indigenous characters and dinosaurs, of course. And now I am a kaiako for Manu Wairere, passing on whakaari, waiata, and voice acting to next generations of Rangatahi. But what I really gained at Māoriland is that I made so many amazing whānau, from rangatahi to kaimahi. They have given me the privilege to be proud. They've even embraced my takiwatanga as well. Because trust me, there is a lot going on in my head. And even though I live far away from all of my whānau, I'm happy to know that I have whānau here in Otaki as well. I love you all, no matter what. Kia ora.